on the decays of highly excited massive string states. Although my research is going well, I do miss the warmth of human companionship.
Companionship. Companionship.
I do miss the warmth of human companionship.
What?
The ducks in my tub. They're whimsical because ducks have neither a need for nor the ability to use them.
Whimsical. Whimsical.
They're whimsical because ducks have neither a need for nor the ability to use them. I don't drive.
Well, I can't drive.
Well, it seems we've reached an impasse.
Ow.
Impasse. Impasse.
Well, it seems we've reached an impasse. All right, let it never be said that Sheldon Lee Cooper ignored the pleas of a damsel in distress.
No one's saying
Damsel. Damsel.
Cooper ignored the pleas of a damsel in distress.
no one's saying that. Let's go.
Well, it does seem rather ironic that for one of 99-cent adhesive ducks, we both might die in a fiery...
Adhesive. Adhesive.
One of 99-cent adhesive ducks, we both might die in a fiery...
Yeah, that would have been great. You and Penny having sex in the tent while I sit out here and watch Howard hump a cactus.
Hump. Hump.
Sit out here and watch Howard hump a cactus.
Okay, the best I can tell, there are 8 other campsites nearby, mostly science nerds.
Campsite. Campsite.
8 other campsites nearby, mostly science nerds. But just over yon ridge are 2 not unattractive middle school teachers who reek of...
Unattractive. Unattractive.
Not unattractive middle school teachers who reek of... But just over yon ridge are 2 not unattractive middle school teachers who reek of desperation.
Reek. Reek.
Teachers who reek of desperation. 50? 55?
Oh, menopause.
Menopause. Menopause.
Oh, menopause.
Doesn't mean one won't be in another, especially if I'm driving.
Clothes, Sheldon. I need clothes.
Hey. Here.
Clothe. Clothe.
I need clothes.
Hey. Here.
Oh, that's cute.
We should have you checked for a concussion.
Concussion. Concussion.
We should have you checked for a concussion.
You have your learner's permit, right?
Yes. And I've logged a considerable number of hours on a simulator.
Good.
Didn't work.
Simulator. Simulator.
Considerable number of hours on a simulator.
Good.
Didn't work. That bat too far. Bringing it back. Optimized. Now, we're
Optimize. Optimize.
optimized. Now, we're
Leonard.
I lost my virginity to my cousin Jeannie.
Virginity. Virginity.
I lost my virginity to my cousin Jeannie.
Yo, NG, how's it going?
To this day, I can't look at pickled herring without being aroused.
Herring. Herring.
To this day, I can't look at pickled herring without being aroused.
to consult with a mechanic before it explodes.
It's not gonna explode. Just keep driving. Warp speed ahead, Mr. Spock.
Warp. Warp.
Warp speed ahead, Mr. Spock.
Right, that was so good.
Sweetie and meaty at the same time.
Wait, so you...
Meaty. Meaty.
Sweetie and meaty at the same time.
Only thing in here are blue ice packs.
I know they're poison, but they look like big, yummy otter pops.
Yummy. Yummy.
But they look like big, yummy otter pops.
After the man who claims to be having a heart attack but appears to be well enough to play Doodle Jump on his iPhone.
Doodle. Doodle.
Jump on his iPhone.
Getting one.
Are you currently pregnant?
No.
Are you sure you look a bit puffy?
Puffy. Puffy.
Sure you look a bit puffy.
Sure you look a bit puffy.
Change migraine to yes.
Migraine. Migraine.
Change migraine to yes.
Boy Scout campsite to the east. Easy target, big, doughy Scoutmaster, couple of cubs, mostly Weebelos.
Cub. Cub.
Master, couple of cubs, mostly Weebelos.
Don't operate heavy machinery. Try not to choke on your own drool.
Drool. Drool.
Try not to choke on your own drool.
Bet you never thought I'd say that.
Yes. The charm of your drug-addled candor knows no bounds.
Addle. Addle.
Charm of your drug-addled candor knows no bounds.
You know, people think you're this weird robot man who's so annoying all the time, and you totally are. But
Annoy. Annoy.
who's so annoying all the time, and you totally are. But
Purr. Purr.